Hey everyone, it's me. Do have the papers putting together now. I'm just not too happy with my boss because of the fact is everybody else got one of those signs to put on their machine and I got absolutely nothing. I was supposed to have one in with my paperwork, but I have absolutely nothing. So now we gotta wait for her to text me, if she does text me. Because we gotta put that sign in the machine tonight and can't do it. Because don't have the damn sign. And I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe. Now, talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.